If you are a side sleeper, you should consider sleeping on the left side. Here are the reasons why you should sleep on your left side. It alleviates acid reflux and heartburn, boosts digestion, simulates the drainage of toxins from your lymph nodes, improves circulation, and help your brain filter out waste. 1. Promotes proper lymphatic drainage. Sleeping on the left side is the most natural. This point is the dominated side of lymphatic system. It is here where the lymph system drains. Lymph system contains proteins, glucose. 2. Anatomical reason. Stomach and pancreas most part is on the left side of the body. If we sleep on left side we favor better digestion. 3. Health of your heart. Almost 80% of the heart is on left side of the body, and sleeping on the left side you will benefit its health in a simple and natural way. 4. Do you take a nap? After reading a lot, remember to take a nap on the left side. This will help the digestion. You will get up more alert and less tired. Try it and see it how good you feel after a little nap on your left side. 5. For the health of spleen. If we sleep on the left side of our body, we will help our fluid directed to the spleen in a simple way, favoring the natural sense of gravity in your body. If you like the video, share with your friends. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant updates.